What do you do when you're sitting for exam and you find yourself looking at a question you don't know the full answer to, or let's say you know very little about it? First thing is, never leave this question blank. Please try to answer this. Use something that's known as the cognitive recall theory, wherein if you sit and try to recall answer, it'll trigger deeper learning pathways, and you will end up remembering something you had read or heard a friend say something about this topic, or you might just recall some key points that was mentioned by a teacher in some lecture. For example, if there's a question on sampling, then you are most likely to remember that there are at least two kinds of sampling. And if you even end up writing about random sampling or simple random sampling, if it's a 4 marker question, you'll still end up getting at least half or 1 mark, which will still help you out in the end. Second tip is to use the intro, explain, and example method. So what you do over here is, let's say there's a term or a condition that's asked that you can't recall much about. Try to introduce something about this topic, try to explain what you can about it in very simple terms, and finally add on an example. Again, it does not have to be a textbook example, it just has to be an example which makes sense. Lastly, use diagrams or flowcharts. Again, they don't have to be beautiful, they don't have to be very aesthetic, they just have to be able to transfer meaning. A study from Teaching of Psychology journal states that students who use diagrams or flowcharts were able to recall things 29% higher than those who did not. So if you're still not using flowcharts or diagrams, it's about time that you do. I hope this helps.